Shri Bhagwati, manufacture, nicotine filling line. The nicotine filling line epitomizes the pinnacle of efficiency, precision, and quality in the realm of nicotine-based e-liquid production. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail and leveraging cutting-edge technology, this comprehensive production system stands as a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence in the e-cigarette and vaping industry. Designed to meet the evolving demands of consumers and regulatory standards alike, the nicotine filling line offers manufacturers a sophisticated solution for the seamless and efficient filling of e-liquid bottles. At its core, the nicotine filling line is a modular marvel, comprising a series of interconnected components that collectively orchestrate the intricate process of e-liquid filling. From bottle feeding to sealing, each stage is meticulously designed and optimized to deliver unparalleled performance and reliability. The journey of production begins with the bottle feeding system, a crucial component that ensures a continuous and uninterrupted supply of empty bottles to sustain the pace of production. Whether it's PET, glass, or plastic, the bottle feeding system is adept at handling a variety of bottle types and sizes, seamlessly integrating with the rest of the production line to maintain efficiency and throughput. As the bottles traverse the production line, they undergo rigorous cleaning and sterilization processes to uphold the highest standards of hygiene and product purity. Utilizing advanced cleaning technologies and sterilization protocols, the nicotine filling line eliminates any contaminants or impurities, ensuring the integrity of the nicotine e-liquids and compliance with stringent regulatory requirements. This meticulous attention to cleanliness not only enhances product quality but also instills confidence in consumers, assuring them of the safety and purity of the e-liquids they consume. The filling process itself is a marvel of engineering precision, facilitated by state-of-the-art filling machines equipped with cutting-edge dosing mechanisms. These machines are meticulously calibrated to dispense precise volumes of nicotine e-liquid into each bottle, achieving unparalleled levels of accuracy and consistency. Whether it's freebase nicotine or nicotine salts, the nicotine filling line is capable of handling a wide range of e-liquid formulations, ensuring uniformity and precision in every batch. Following the filling stage, the bottles proceed to the capping and sealing station, where they undergo meticulous sealing procedures to prevent leakage and contamination. Equipped with advanced capping equipment, the nicotine filling line ensures the secure closure of each bottle, utilizing a variety of cap styles, including screw caps, child-resistant caps, and tamper-evident closures. This robust sealing process not only enhances product integrity but also enhances consumer confidence, assuring them of the safety and security of the e-liquids they consume. Throughout the entire production process, stringent quality control measures are integrated at key checkpoints to monitor and maintain the highest standards of product quality and consistency. Advanced sensors, detectors, and monitoring systems are deployed to detect any deviations or irregularities, enabling prompt corrective action to uphold optimal production standards. This unwavering commitment to quality assurance is central to the ethos of the nicotine filling line, ensuring that every bottle of e-liquid that emerges from the production line meets the exacting requirements of discerning consumers and But the nicotine filling line is more than just a machine, it's a testament to innovation and ingenuity, a reflection of the industry's unwavering commitment to excellence. Its modular design and flexible architecture empower manufacturers to adapt and evolve in response to changing market dynamics, enabling them to stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of e-cigarette and vaping products. In conclusion, the nicotine filling line represents a paradigm shift in e-liquid production, setting new benchmarks for efficiency, precision, and quality in the industry. With its cutting-edge technology, meticulous craftsmanship, and unwavering commitment to excellence, this innovative production line redefines the standard for nicotine-based e-liquid manufacturing, empowering manufacturers to unlock their full potential and capitalize on the vast opportunities that lie ahead in the dynamic and rapidly evolving e-cigarette and vaping market. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.